Harian ka Jing hap slap ka bajur dangshan ha Jylla ka State Disaster Management Authority ka Penpau. Baka sarkar Jylla ka don hapreng ka Jing du nong ka bakraw na ka Jing Jylla Jong ka Jing Tay. U Commissioner ba Secretary ka Revenue and Disaster Management u Sanjay Goyal ulaong baka sarkar ka lalong ka balade penkre na dong shadong banyale bat ki Jing bala banjia ka bami na ka Jing jur slap ha ka Jylla.
In 2022, I believe. So these are the areas which are normally vulnerable, and we are on alert. As we have mentioned, the day for yesterday's meeting of the Honorable Chief Minister was focusing on this part, that wherever there are vulnerable areas of the flood areas or the likely to be flooded areas, we should be totally prepared, and if required, we evacuate the vulnerable population or the households and take them to a safer place, which in most of the cases is some school nearby which is at a higher elevation, or maybe some community hall and things like that.
Kubshi Binta Jong ka scheme Pradhan Mantri TB Book